Most roofing contractors miss opportunities because they rush into software without testing it first. And here's the truth no one tells you. The real cost of software is not the price tag. It is choosing the wrong system for your business. In this video, you'll learn how the AccuLynx free trial works in 2026, how to get it, and what you should test before you decide to pay. Let's get straight into it. AccuLynx is a roofing management platform designed to handle leads, jobs, scheduling, estimates, and communication in one place. So instead of using multiple tools, everything is centralized for roofing businesses. Now here's where it gets interesting. Before committing to a paid plan, many contractors want to test how it fits their workflow. That is where the free trial or demo access becomes important. But here's the problem. Many people think there is a simple public, download and start free trial like consumer apps. That is not always how business software works, especially for roofing platforms. Now, let's break it down, step by step. First, to access AccuLynx trial or demo access, you typically go through their official website. You request a demo or trial by filling out a form with basic business details like company name, team size, and contact information. So if Alex runs a roofing company in the US, he would enter his business details and request access. A representative usually follows up to set up a guided demo or trial access based on his needs. Now here's where it gets interesting. Unlike simple apps, this process is often personalized. That means the trial experience can be tailored to your roofing workflow instead of being a generic version of the software. Second, once you get access, you should not just click around randomly. You need to test real business scenarios. For example, create a sample lead, convert it into a job, and see how scheduling works. If Jake is managing multiple roofing crews, he should test how job assignments and updates flow between team members. This shows whether the system actually fits real field operations. But here's the key mistake most people make. They only look at the interface and ignore workflow speed. Software is not about how it looks, it is about how fast it helps you complete daily tasks. Third, during your trial or demo period, focus on 3 things: ease of use, time saved per job, and communication clarity between office and field teams. Now, here's a powerful insight most contractors miss. The goal of a trial is not to explore every feature. The goal is to answer one question. Will this software reduce confusion and increase job completion speed in my business? If the answer is yes, it is worth considering. If not, it is better to move on early. So to wrap it up, getting access to AccuLynx in 2026 usually involves requesting a demo or trial through their official process. Once inside, you should test real workflows, not just features. If used correctly, this trial can save you from making an expensive software mistake. If this helped you, like the video, comment your business size so I can guide you on better tools, and subscribe for more simple software breakdowns that help you make smarter decisions.